Hello everyone. In this video we'll see how to create sections in MS Word. Suppose I have some data on my document. I just want to create section. For the creating section I'll explain with the help of example. Suppose I want to create two columns. You know very well how to create two columns. Just click on layout tab and click on this column option and this option 2. Now you can see my data is separated in two columns, but it also divide my heading part also in column. Now what exactly I want is my heading should not divide into columns. It will remain same. For that I have to just undo my previous work. Now I want to create a section within the same document. That means I want these two lines should be in one section and remaining text should be in another section. For that I just click on this option. In the home tab you can see in paragraph option this symbol. It will tell where my sections start exactly. Now from this here I can create section. So for creating section, I have to click on this layout option. Now click on this break option. You will get two options, page break and section break. We'll go with section break. If I click on this option, next page, my section will be shifted on next page. If I click with this option, that is continuous, then it will create section within the same page. I'll go with it. Now you can see it is displaying a message section break continuous. Now I can split my text within two columns. I have to keep my cursor in the beginning. Now just click on this column option and click on this option, that is 2. Now you can see my data is separated in two columns. If you don't like to display this symbol within your document, then you can hide this symbol by clicking on this symbol again. You have to click on this symbol from the paragraph group and it will hide. So in this way you can create section within Microsoft Word document. That's it for this video.